Today we're going to talk about the Callicrate Bander. This is what you would use to castrate any calf that is over 200 pounds. There's a couple features to note. There's a crankshaft that actually tightens the rubber band on the scrotum of the calf, and then underneath there is a lever that will end up crimping the metal, making sure the rubber band stays tight on its scrotum. There's also a string with a rubber grommet that is pulling the rubber band during the process. Let's talk about the rubber band. There is a closed loop. This is what will go around the scrotum. There's a thick piece of metal. This is what is going to crimp and hold the rubber band onto the scrotum. And then there's a thin piece of metal that holds the two loose ends of the rubber band together. This is the end we want to feed inside of our Callicrate Bander. You want to make sure this piece of metal fits inside the Callicrate Bander like so. Then you take your rubber grommet and you fit it between both pieces of metal. Now you're ready to castrate a calf.